Hello and welcome to Ashwini Tarcar's cookbook. Let's get started with today's recipe. Today we will make Kosambari, a Karnataka style salad. We will use carrot, cucumber and tomato. The proportion for this can be as per your liking. I have taken one each. Peel the carrot and the cucumber and discard the green part of the carrot and grate it. Use a small grater. We don't want it too thick, so transfer it into a bowl. Now check if the cucumber is bitter at the ends. Usually it is. So now we will chop it. This is a different style of chopping. The uneven pieces taste very good. You should try this type of chopping, or you can make it into cubes or grate it if you don't want to chop it this way. Doesn't make much difference in the taste. Now chop the tomato, chop it into small pieces, add to the bowl, mix all this. Now to this we will add a chopped coriander, 1 or 2 tablespoon, and 2 tablespoon fresh coconut, and salt to taste, sugar half teaspoon, and lime juice around half teaspoon will do. Now the cucumber, tomato and carrot will leave water. To this add quarter cup washed moong dal. This is not soaked. This will get soaked in the water which is there in the salad now. Add 2 tablespoon roasted peanuts and mix well. I have not crushed the peanuts because already there is moong dal. Mix well and leave it for 1 or 2 hours. Now make a tadka of ghee, mustard, little hing and curry leaves and green chilli. Add 1 or 2 chopped green chilli as per your taste. Fry all this tadka till crisp. Add this tadka to the salad and the kosambari is ready. In Kannada it is called kosambari, that is the salad. So this is the Karnataka style salad. You can see after 1 hour or so, the dal gets soaked totally. There is no water left in the salad. Now serve it with a veg meal or a non-veg meal. Happy cooking. The kosambari is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, subscribe, like and share it with someone who loves cooking. See you in the next video.